I am here with Kostia, and he is all the way from Israel.
Right.
And today we're going to give him his first chiropractic adjustment. All right, cool.
Right.
All right, so let's come and lay face down right here.
Okay.
All right, nice and easy. Good. There we go. And they have chiropractors in Israel, but it's just a different name. All right? It's a different name. They probably call them, I don't know, they probably call them some other names, physiotherapist or things like that.
Yes. No,
Right.
there is something else.
Okay. So just relax your legs a little bit, Kostia. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to measure the legs a little bit and see how see how we're doing here. How does this feel in your lower back when I do this? Any pain?
No.
Good. Okay, come here. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit. You tell me if you have any pain.
I will come here.
A little bit inside there. If I bring it out and up. A little bit.
This.
Right inside there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to check the other side also. Okay, just relax. Bring this up here. Any pain in there?
Yes.
Less? Okay. Come right back down here. And relax. And check one more time. Up. Alright, so that's a little tight inside there. So I want you to relax your body completely. Alright? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust right in these joints right inside here. And I just need you to relax a little bit. You're going to feel the table drop like that.
Okay.
Alright? Just drop. Okay? Just relax in the hip. And adjust the hip joints. Okay? The right side. Okay? And the sacrum. Okay? I'm going to adjust the SI joint. And the right SI joint. Good. I'm going to adjust the lower back area. All right? This might sting a little bit, so I want you to breathe in for me really deep. And breathe all the way out. Just relax, good. Just like that. Okay? Good, good. I want to do one more time. Breathe in and out. Let go. More. Good. 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 Okay. That always stings a little bit. All right? Breathe in for me really deep. And all the way out. Let it go. Good. Perfect. You feel that inside there? That was great. You come a little closer right here. Breathe in one more time. In. And out. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay. I want you to lay down on your side and face this wall, please. Lay right on your side. Yep. And rest your head. Slide down a little bit. Good. Just rest your head there. Good. Going to turn you a little bit. Just like this. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to bend this leg right here. Okay. Bring it a little closer. I'm going to adjust this lower back. All right. This is where you have a lot of tightness right inside there. Okay. And just relax here. Here we go. Excellent. Let's go on the other side, please. Right on the other side. Okay, I'm going to turn you a little bit. Just like that, Kostia. I'm going to bend this a little bit, nice and easy. Okay, I'm going to raise the table a little bit. This way I don't hurt my back. All right. Okay, a little closer. And we go right inside that there. Breathe in for me really deep. And out all the way. Good. Perfect. Why don't you come lay down right on your back. Face up, please. Right on your back. How you doing? You okay?
Great.
Good. Excellent. Slide up towards me a little bit.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. All right, you can stand right here and just relax your head completely. Now, what I want you to do is I just want you to completely relax.
Okay.
You know, like be flat on the table. All right, and just relax everything. Okay, we're going to do a correction right inside there.
Yeah.
And then one more right inside there. Okay? All right. And I just want you to relax a little bit. Good. Okay. And just relax. I'm going to lean your head to the side just a bit. Just like that. Okay? Good. And I'm going to turn a little bit. Good. And then I want you to relax right there. Good. Just like that. Good. It wasn't too bad. All right. I'm going to do one more. All right? You can come on this side over here. Okay. Okay. And relax here. Okay. Good. I'm going to come right inside this area. Going to stretch a bit and relax more. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'd like you to breathe in real deep. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. Do a little stretch. Good. Just like that. Okay. Good. I'm going to adjust your shoulders. I want you to come and sit up, please. Nice and easy. Put your legs right on that side. Okay, just like that. How are we doing so far?
Great.
Okay, relax your shoulders, nice and easy. Just like that. Okay, we're going to bring it right inside here. And just relax, just a little bit. A little bit more, good. Just like that. We're going to do this one also. Good, we'll bring this in just like this. And just relax the shoulder a little bit more, good. Just like that. Very good. You hear that?
Yeah.
You didn't know we could do that, huh?
It's the shoulders I didn't know.
Yeah, the shoulders, the elbows. Good. Good. Gonna check this side also. Right, just relax the elbow. Here. Good. And just relax. Good. And one more thing to do, Kostia. I want you to come stand in front of my mirror for a second.
Okay.
Okay. You can go right over there. Okay. I want you to step back over here a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to adjust you with this. You wasn't feeling anything?
Okay.
Right here. And that's the top bone on the spine. That controls the whole spine. All right? So, right, and that's because your head kind of comes forward, like forward like this.
I see.
So I want you to lift up your shoulders. Shoulders back.
Okay.
Hands back like this. Back more. Look up. I'm going to tuck in your chin like that and just adjust. Okay, I'm going to do the other side, Kostia. And just relax. Good. Straighten up. Relax the shoulders. Take a big deep breath. And relax. Let's see how you feel. Straight.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice and easy. All right. I want you to bend down forward a little bit. See how you feel. Okay. Come back up. How does that feel?
Better.
A little better?
Yeah.
Tell the camera.
Much better.
Much better?
Yeah.
All right. All those people that are from Israel that are thinking about coming to the chiropractor, should they come?
Yeah. With the Airbnb.